Welcome, boys. Okay, in this video we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter in our 2010 Hyundai Accent. So we're going to put this in that.
Shut up.
Okay, boys, so our cabin air filter is located behind the glove box here. So, pull her down, give it the old squishy squish, and then we can pull it down. As easy as that, boys. And that is what holds our cabin air filter. So do remember to take the stuff out of your glove box before you set that down, or you're going to have one of these problems. Behold the cabin air filter. And this one is dirty, boys. Oh my God, how has the owner not died of some sort of infectious, contagious disease? Alright, boys, here's our new filter. Does not matter which way it goes in, because as you can see, it's the same. Symmetrical, as it were. Let's press her in. Boom, click that in place, lift your now empty glove box back up into place, and lock it in. So that's as easy as that, so don't go to Valvoline and get ripped off for like $40 when they pretend, oh my God, removing the glove box is so hard, it's going to take all day. $40. Or you can do it yourself in less than 5 minutes for free. So, it's as easy as that. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.